Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where a program won't maximize from the taskbar in Windows 11. This common problem often happens when a window opens off screen, is stuck in a minimized state, or its previous position has been misremembered by Windows. Even though the app is running, you might not be able to bring it into view, but don't worry, it's usually easy to fix. Let's get started. Right-click on a blank area of your desktop and select Refresh. Then try to open the program again from the taskbar. Press Windows plus P on your keyboard to open the projection settings. Make sure to select PC screen only. Hopefully this brief tutorial helped resolve the issue. If you're using Windows 10, right-click the taskbar and choose Cascade Windows. This will bring all open windows into view. Hopefully this brief tutorial helped resolve the issue. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.